In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your stencil cutout to trace your design onto the skin. At this stage, you should have already created your cutout and marked the dots for the needle entry and exit points onto the skin. I covered those instructions in other videos, which I'll link to below. Okay, first we want to make sure that the dots on the skin are completely dried, and then we can take the cutout and place it on the skin and line it up with the dots. While holding it in place, use your fine-tip surgical skin marker to carefully trace along the outer edges of the cutout. Take your time here and adjust the cutout as needed to follow the dots. Once this is completely dry, we will trace the inner elements. If you smudge a line by accident, you can use an alcohol wipe to clean it up. As you can see, the dots transfer larger, so even once you've added the lines, you should still be able to see the dots. If they're hard to see, you can draw them slightly bigger or elongate them so that they're more visible. Allow these lines to completely dry before you start the piercing. Thanks for watching!